Make money from your YouTube shorts before even getting monetized on YouTube. You can get monetized on YouTube technically with your shorts as soon as you have just 10 million views in a 90-day period, but who wants to wait for that? And the pay is kind of small compared to long form content anyways. So here's how you can actually get paid with your short content before even hitting those requirements to get monetized. I'm gonna share 3 of my top tips with you, and here's a little hint, number 3 is the best. Number 1 is bring value. Make the viewer wanna stick around, because once they find you, they want them to see more from you. And by bringing viewers value, they begin to feel like they know, like, and trust you, which increases their chance for subscribing to your channel or buying something from you later. Number 2 is make reference in some way to something that you can do to help them, whether it's including a free product for them or making reference to an affiliate linked product that you think will actually help them solve their problem, and make it clear how it can help them because it's about them. Number 3, add a clear call to action. This is where you can actually make your money. Call to actions that I have used that have paid off is view my full series on my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel for my full series, download my free guide, get started doing blank with the link below, link in description. If you can convert a new viewer to a subscriber or follower, they are likely to help you grow, which will help you gain more followers and also grow your reach, which will end up bringing you more ad revenue when you are actually monetized. But additionally, they're more likely to buy something from your affiliate links or your digital or physical products. And at the end of the day, it all starts with bringing them value. And here's the little bonus tip is including a title and hook with an intriguing lead-in. So that means that they actually click and stick around to watch it. If they don't watch it in the first place, there's no chance for any of the above to do its magic. So that's how you use YouTube Shorts too.